Respected audience, I am Professor Muhammad Wasim Ali, Professor in the Department of Law for last 24 years. My focused area of the teaching and research is personal law, that includes Muslim law as well as the Hindu law as well as constitutional law. The course that I have been instructor, that is the Muslim law, and this subject is designed to cover all those topics that constitute as integral part of the Muslim personal law in view of section 2 of Muslim Personal Law Sharia Application Act 1937. Dear learners, the subject is utmost important in the contemporary era as well as the relevant from the career point of view of all the learners. Because at present there is a rising trend of dispute in the family, particularly after the marriage. Therefore, how to resolve the dispute outside the court, how to dispose of the matter in the court of law, the fundamental or basic information on this subject is must for all those who may be interested with this type of the responsibility. And therefore, learned this subject I think is of great significance. I hope that you will might have enjoyed and you will continue to enjoy the teaching which has taken place during this period on these subjects, and you will have the insight on the subject. So now I congratulate all of you to be the part of this program and hope that you will enjoy this online teaching and learning in the days to come, in the rest of the part of your life, as you might have enjoyed even during the program when it was going online. Thank you very much.